problem you've got is when you clip something to flat line it, and any of these, each of these, you can see they're still rounded. That can create problems with speakers, especially like in clubs and festivals, because if you think of the sound wave going forwards and backwards, that's what the speaker's doing. But if you're clipping it, especially on the master, and it's flatlined, the speaker's like it's forced to kind of stay there, and it can create an undesired effect. So I always look just to make sure I'm not totally flatlining it. But what I will have done with this is, I'll give you a quick lesson. I would have gain staged that, so the crest factor, which is the difference between the peak and the RMS, is, you know, as small as possible. I wanted to get that kick there so it's clipped and limited out of its life, because it's the loudest thing in the track. So when I go to the master bus or the next part of the gain staging, you know, I don't want to be doing anything, if not anything slightly to it, because we've got everything out of it. And why this makes a difference is, if I send this to mastering and I don't do this to the kick, there might be a big peak in it. So if I start compressing that kick or limiting that kick with the mastering compressor, or the mastering engineer does, what I'm doing is, let's say adds 3 dB to the kick, which has here. That 3 dB there, your limiter will start distorting much sooner, you know, and you won't be able to get the loudness out of the track that you want.